This is Seadream Yacht Club. It's yachting, not cruising, and it's like nothing else you've ever done before. Once you've experienced the casual elegance of an ultra-inclusive voyage aboard a Seadream yacht, you will be irreversibly spoiled. As a Seadream guest, you'll enjoy gourmet dining in a luxurious but relaxed atmosphere, either indoors or surrounded by the great outdoors. Your every wish is anticipated and met by an international crew that earns the highest customer satisfaction at sea. As soon as you step on board, you'll know why. The Seadream yachts accommodate just 47 to 55 couples, all in luxurious ocean view staterooms. In fact, our yachts typically average one crew member for each guest, a ratio unmatched by any other line. Unlike big ship cruising, our pricing is so inclusive that all gourmet meals, wine with lunch or dinner, drinks at our open bars, gratuities, and even your use of all our water toys are included. Seadream Yacht Club will so splendidly spoil you with our unforgettable yacht voyages that you'll never again want to settle for less. At Seadream Yacht Club, we don't take these accolades lightly. We strive to earn them every day, on every voyage, with every guest. It's our passion. At Seadream, we call it the relentless pursuit of casual perfection. On a Seadream voyage, if you want to spend a romantically quiet evening under the stars on our plush Balinese dream beds, we'll gladly provide the duvets. Or you'll find unexpected pleasures in the simplest of surprises. Your days aboard a Seadream yacht are as active or as relaxed as you want them to be. Your nights are as spirited or as romantic as you desire. This is your yacht. It's your choice. You may personally request to visit the bridge and have a cup of coffee with the captain and officers. Take time to pamper yourself with one of our signature treatments from the Seadream Spa, either on board or outdoors, beachside. Enjoy a round of golf at Pebble Beach or St. Andrews in our state-of-the-art golf simulator. When you decide it's time for dinner, you'll enjoy the same highly acclaimed gourmet food and impeccable attention to detail, whether taking in the splendors of a sunset in the topside restaurant or in the relaxed refinement of our dining salon. Either way, the emphasis, as always aboard a Seadream yacht, is on casual elegance. This is your vacation. Leave the tux, ties, and gala gowns at home. Since we have at most just 55 couples on board, our Seadream chefs will prepare your meals fresh and just for you. And there's always a brilliantly prepared spa cuisine selection on the menu. You can also choose one of over 3,000 bottles of estate wines from our wine cellar. And whenever the mood strikes, champagne and caviar and a wide variety of gourmet foods are available to you around the clock. After dinner, try your luck at the blackjack table in the Seadream Casino. Pick up a magazine, a good book, or use the computers with internet access in the library. Enjoy a nightcap and make a few requests at the yacht's piano bar. Or just find your own romantic spot. It's your yacht and your choice. The intimate nature of the Seadream Yachts will help you enjoy a private holiday experience unlike any other. Seadream 1 and 2 are luxuriously appointed, have the charm of a boutique hotel, and set the tone of casual elegance for your voyage. Beautiful teak decks, tables, and chairs warmly welcome you. Original pieces of art grace the yacht's walls. Every Seadream stateroom has an ocean view and is filled with life's little luxuries that will make these yachts your preferred home away from home. Select from the finest down pillows, luxurious duvets, and woolen blankets. Our Belgian linens, Bulgari bath amenities, and entertainment center with DVD and CD players will help make your stay with us one of unsurpassed comfort. You can keep in contact with your family or office with an internet connection in your stateroom. We'll even provide you with a laptop. Whether you choose the spacious owner's suite with its living room, dining area, and guest bath, as well as its separate bedroom and master bath with ocean view, tub, and multi-jet shower massage. A Commodore Club Suite with its dining table that seats 4 and identical his and her bathrooms. Or a Yacht Club stateroom with its queen or twin beds, light wood accents, and marble-lined bathroom. You'll be surrounded by Seadream's amenities that exude casual elegance. From bustling cosmopolitan cities to the hidden harbors that guests aboard larger vessels can only dream of, Seadream Yacht Club visits the most alluring ports of call throughout Europe and the most enchanting islands of the Caribbean. What's best is you can take your time. Our leisurely and flexible itineraries are planned that way. There are slow-paced yacht vacations for those who want to relax, enjoy, and explore. Our late evening departures let you sample the nightlife of some truly exciting ports. On a Seadream voyage, you'll discover magical islands of red-tiled roofs on Croatia's Adriatic coast. Wander the romantic alleys of Florence. Soak up the Riviera sun in Nice and Saint-Tropez, or explore Capri's dramatic coast. Lose yourself in the world's favorite fairy tale kingdom, the Principality of Monaco. Or warm your body and spirit in the intoxicating cultures and crystal clear waters of the Caribbean. Enjoy a quiet cove in the British Virgin Islands. While away an afternoon or evening in a landmark beachside bar, such as Foxy's in Joost Van Dyke. It all awaits on your Seadream Yacht. Your Seadream yachting voyage will offer you the freedom to relax, have fun, and be completely comfortable while being served in the finest European tradition of excellence, service that has been rated as the best in the world, food that is so highly acclaimed that it has no peers, intimacy and space aboard what will feel like your own private villa at sea, unique itineraries that take you to secluded spots that larger vessels can't. This is not a cruise line. It's Seadream Yacht Club. There is a difference. To book your Seadream Yacht vacation, contact your travel professional. You will never again want to settle for less.